Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see that how we can uh, use Visual Studio Code to create a Maven project. So I have created one folder, right? And I will open this folder into the Visual Studio Code. So you can go to the Visual Studio Code and you can open this. Or if you have installed, you just open with the Visual Studio Code. So this is opened. Now here, step number one is that you need to install the extension. The extension is extension for extension pack for Java, right? So this one, this is from Microsoft. I have already installed this, and if you have not installed this, then you can install this one, okay, from Microsoft. So once it is installed, then let me close this. And here you can press Control Shift and I, which will open this Control Shift P also, right? So Control Shift P, and here it will give you the option what you can create. So we need to create the Maven project. So I will say Maven, right? So here you can see Maven new project. So I'll select this one. So it is saying um, you want to select a archetype or archetype, whatever you pronounce it, right? So archetype I'm selecting. So there are many. I will be searching for, say, quick start. So the one which we were having earlier, Maven, and archetype quick start. Right? So I'm selecting this one, Maven archetype, which is quick start. Which version? We will select 1.4 and the group ID. So I will select the group ID, which is pom.xml courses. Okay. Now artifact ID, I will say my project, right? And so it is asking where you want to create. I want to create under this folder, right? And now it is building my project. Okay. Before that, Java is to be installed, Maven is to be installed. Okay. So it is asking for the version. So I'll press enter. Do you want to create? Yes. So my project is created. So now you can see here my project source and pom.xml file is created, right? And here you can see main. Under main, I have Java. Under that KMIT courses. Under that, we are having the app.java file. Same way, under test, we are having Java KMIT courses and app test.java. So this code is hello world code, and this code is your unit test code, which is always returning the true value. Okay, so here we have seen that how we can uh, create our project in Visual Studio Code. Now, uh, in next lecture, we will see some commands which are related to Maven. Okay, and after completion of those commands, we will see how to create a Spring Boot project, and we will incorporate our Git repository. Also, we will create a Git repository so that you should be in touch with the previous topics related to Git we have discussed. Okay, but initially I will create a dummy project and then we will create an actual project in Spring Boot. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this lecture. Uh, in next lecture, we will talk about what is pom.xml file. Till then, bye bye.